Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, battery saver. You can switch power saving mode here. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it. And here you can only set it to turn on automatically, and you can select at which battery percentage it will turn on automatically. Let's set it, for example, for 30%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.